Imagine a world without banks, where financial transactions are not controlled by a central authority. Picture a system where you have complete control over your money, and trust is established through technology rather than intermediaries. This is the promise of blockchain technology, a revolutionary concept that removes the need for central authorities to manage and control your financial assets. Blockchain technology makes this possible by creating a decentralized network where transactions are recorded on a public ledger. This introduces a radical new way to establish trust, one that is built on transparency and security. At its core, a blockchain is a decentralized public ledger that records transactions across countless computers. Each transaction is verified by multiple nodes, ensuring its accuracy and legitimacy. This distributed nature eliminates the need for a single, centralized authority, reducing the risk of corruption and fraud. Traditional financial systems rely heavily on intermediaries like banks to facilitate trust and manage transactions. We trust banks to secure our funds, validate transactions, and maintain the integrity of the financial system. However, this reliance on centralized entities creates vulnerabilities, as these institutions can be targets for cyber attacks and internal fraud. History is rife with examples of banks being hacked, data breaches, and even fraudulent activities within these institutions, leading to significant financial losses and erosion of trust. Blockchain technology disrupts this paradigm by offering a more secure and transparent alternative. Instead of relying on blind trust in intermediaries, blockchain leverages cryptography, consensus mechanisms, and decentralized networks to ensure the integrity of transactions. Each transaction is verified and added to the blockchain through a process called mining, which involves solving complex mathematical problems. This creates an immutable record, visible to all participants, fostering transparency and accountability. Every participant in the network can see and verify the transactions, reducing the risk of fraud. The beauty of blockchain lies in its ability to establish trust without relying on traditional intermediaries. It creates a system where trust is built into the very fabric of the technology. This trust is built on the very architecture of the technology, ensuring security, transparency, and immutability. Blockchain represents a paradigm shift in how we think about trust in financial transactions, paving the way for a more secure and transparent future. Two pillars underpin the integrity of any blockchain: security and governance. Security ensures the inviolability of the blockchain, protecting it against malicious attacks and data breaches. Governance, on the other hand, dictates the rules of the game, determining how decisions are made and changes are implemented. Security is paramount in a decentralized system where no single entity controls the network. Robust security measures are crucial to prevent double spending, fraud, and other malicious activities. Cryptography, the cornerstone of blockchain security, ensures the confidentiality and integrity of transactions. Governance models in the blockchain space vary widely. Some blockchains operate under on-chain governance, where all rule changes and upgrades are decided through a consensus mechanism involving all network participants. Others employ off-chain governance, where decision-making processes occur outside the blockchain's protocol. Effective security and governance are non-negotiable for the success of any blockchain. They are the guardians of trust, ensuring the reliability and resilience of this revolutionary technology. WUP blockchain takes security to the next level, employing a multi-layered approach that ensures comprehensive protection against a wide range of threats. This sophisticated system is designed to provide robust security at every layer, from the core infrastructure to the user interface. It leverages the power of decentralization, which is a fundamental principle in blockchain technology. By distributing data across a vast network of nodes, WUP ensures that there is no single point of failure, making it incredibly resilient against attacks. At the heart of WUP's security lies its network of distributed nodes. These nodes, spread across the globe, work in unison to validate transactions and maintain the integrity of the blockchain. This global distribution not only enhances security but also ensures high availability and reliability. The collaborative effort of these nodes is crucial in preventing fraudulent activities and ensuring that every transaction is legitimate. Each node independently verifies transactions, adding an extra layer of security and trust. WUP utilizes state-of-the-art cryptography to safeguard data and transactions. This advanced cryptographic technology ensures that all data is encrypted, making it virtually impossible for unauthorized parties to access or alter it. Each transaction is encrypted and linked to the previous one, creating an unbreakable chain. This chaining mechanism ensures that any attempt to alter a single transaction would be immediately detected, preserving the integrity of the entire blockchain. This cryptographic security ensures that data remains confidential and tamper-proof. The encryption process is designed to be highly secure, using complex algorithms that are resistant to modern hacking techniques. Any attempt to alter a single block would require an infeasible amount of computing power, making it practically impossible for malicious actors to compromise the blockchain. This high level of security is a testament to the robustness of WUP's cryptographic protocols, making the blockchain incredibly secure. Furthermore, WUP incorporates advanced fraud detection mechanisms. These mechanisms are constantly evolving to stay ahead of potential threats, using machine learning and artificial intelligence to detect anomalies. These mechanisms constantly monitor the network for suspicious activities, identifying and mitigating potential threats before they can compromise the blockchain's integrity. This real-time monitoring is essential for maintaining a secure environment. Identifying and mitigating potential threats before they can compromise the blockchain's integrity. The proactive nature of WUP's security measures ensures that any potential vulnerabilities are addressed promptly, minimizing the risk of breaches. This proactive approach to security ensures the safety and trustworthiness of the WUP ecosystem. By continuously monitoring and updating its security protocols, WUP stays ahead of emerging threats, providing users with peace of mind. WUP's robust security architecture, built on decentralization, cryptography, and proactive fraud detection, provides a fortified foundation for a secure and trustworthy blockchain experience. This comprehensive approach to security is what sets WUP apart in the blockchain industry. Provides a fortified foundation for a secure and trustworthy blockchain experience. With WUP, users can be confident that their data and transactions are protected by one of the most advanced security architectures in the blockchain space. WUP blockchain embraces the ethos of decentralization, extending it to its governance model. This model is not just a theoretical concept but a practical framework that ensures every voice is heard and valued. WUP employs a community-driven governance system, empowering every stakeholder to participate in shaping the future of the blockchain. This means that decisions are not made by a select few, but by the collective wisdom of the community. This ensures that no single entity can exert undue influence, fostering fairness and transparency. The process is designed to be open and accessible, allowing for a diverse range of opinions and ideas to be considered. In the WUP ecosystem, every token holder has a voice. This voice is not just symbolic but carries real weight in the decision-making process. Proposals for upgrades, changes to the protocol, or any other significant decision are presented to the community for voting. This democratic process ensures that all stakeholders have a say in the direction of the blockchain. The weight of each vote is proportional to the number of tokens held, ensuring a fair and balanced decision-making process. This proportional voting system helps to balance the interests of different stakeholders, making sure that no single group can dominate the conversation. This democratic approach to governance fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility within the WUP community. When people feel that their opinions matter, they are more likely to engage and contribute positively. It ensures that decisions are made collectively, reflecting the shared vision and interests of all stakeholders. This collective decision-making process helps to build a stronger, more cohesive community. This active participation is crucial for the long-term health and sustainability of the WUP blockchain. By involving the community in governance, WUP ensures that the blockchain can adapt and evolve in response to the needs and desires of its users. WUP's community-driven governance model exemplifies the power of decentralization, enabling collaborative decision-making and ensuring that the blockchain remains true to its core values of transparency and fairness. This model not only strengthens the blockchain but also empowers its users, creating a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts written in code and stored on the blockchain. These contracts automatically enforce the terms of an agreement when predetermined conditions are met. WUP leverages the power of smart contracts to automate many aspects of its security and governance, further enhancing trust and transparency. In the realm of security, smart contracts can be employed to automate fraud detection and prevention mechanisms. For instance, a smart contract can be programmed to flag suspicious transactions that deviate significantly from established patterns, adding an extra layer of protection against malicious activities. Moreover, smart contracts play a pivotal role in WUP's governance model. They can be used to automate the voting process for proposals, ensuring accuracy, transparency, and tamper-proof results. This eliminates the risk of manipulation or human error, further enhancing the integrity of the decision-making process. WUP's integration of smart contracts streamlines processes, reduces the risk of human error, and enhances the overall efficiency and trustworthiness of the blockchain's security and governance mechanisms.